Gearheads, I'm going to touch on a sticky subject. What is it about car culture that kind of drives you crazy and you want no part of it? Alright, Gearheads. Well, you know here at Gear Oil Cafe that we pride ourselves in making sure that people feel included, that we're about family, but we're also about to have fun, and we're not going to hold back on, having crazy events and stuff like that. The first kind of question I want to touch on is, why are there so many people acting out, and why is it that you can't go to a car show or an event or just a group where there's going to be a lot of cars in the area without like revving the engine, street racing, drifting, burnouts, you name it. Now, the one main complaint, and this comes from car guys, this comes from old car guys, new car guys, is that it's just becoming unenjoyable. And why are people stunting and going crazy? What really happened to like good, genuine car content, good shows, Sunday morning, Friday afternoon, Friday night cruise night? It's just basically gone to the dogs. With all the craziness going around and with all the big changes going through with COVID and with tracks and racetracks and kind of like settings like that, it doesn't allow us gearheads to take all that pent-up energy that we've been spending trying to, go racing or have fun with our friends, and then you got to put all these laws into place, and because of COVID, it's put a huge damper. I think us gearheads just have all this pent-up energy, and there's no way for us to, kind of officially like let it out. Honestly, I'm not trying to make any innuendos, but driving fast and erratic and racing and stuff like that is just the stuff we enjoy. And you're getting like so many like street races going on because there's no real outlet around Calgary, Alberta for us to do the stuff we want to do. Guys, for those of you guys watching that are in the States or in Canada or wherever you are, I feel your pain, but we have to remember that safety for the public is honestly number one. So do it safe, do it friendly, and have fun, definitely. Now, for the second part of this topic, and I don't know, maybe you guys are enjoying this, maybe you're not, but I just want to speak a little truth and spit a little bit of ideas for you to think about. But what is it about car shows and expectations that basically sort everybody in their own little clique, and sometimes it makes people feel like awkward and honestly like unaccepted? Just because you got a cruiser motorcycle, you feel that it's your God-given right to basically be snooty or unaccepting to people who drive sport bikes. Why are you cruiser guys not waving back at the sport guys? Why is this even a problem? Now, ever since we were like kids and in school, there's always been cliques. You know that, I know that. There's always been cliques. Everybody's just kind of stuck to their own friends. Now, my only problem is that we're not children anymore. So honestly, you guys need to smarten up, because I've honestly kind of had it enough. Like it's enough of this, and you can't justify it. Okay, no matter what kind of opinions you have, you can't justify being just rude to somebody because you don't like their build. All right. Time to talk about a subject that nobody talks about, and that's why you guys think it's okay for you to drive impaired. I know this whole video is one big rant, so you can either skip to the next video or just hear me out. A few years back, one of my good friends lost her son. His name is Brandon Thomas. And Brandon Thomas now, because he's no longer with us, has a memorial show that his mom and sister put on for him. You know, every year basically we've been putting on this awesome charity show that's in support of bringing recognition to don't drive impaired, honestly, because it's sad. I mean, so many lives have been lost because somebody out there had one too many drinks and they didn't know their limit, and it impaired their judgment. If you think a little bit of weed can impair your judgment, you're wrong. And if you think that a couple drinks won't impair your judgment, you're wrong again. And there are so many things out there with that, like with substances and stuff like that, that are going to impair your judgment regardless if you think you're okay or not. Every year we do this charity show, and it's on the August 29th, and it's gonna be in Calgary, Alberta, in this area called the Stampede Grounds. It's fantastic. I think last year we hit over 1,000 cars, but I know you guys are gonna love it. So go ahead and check out the description below. Go ahead and go on GearOilCafe.com. Click subscribe to this video, click like, and leave a comment down below if you need any questions answered. But I want to see your faces at Show Yard for Brandon 2021. So guys, come over and check that out. I want you guys to have fun and enjoy yourself. And I want to show you the Ninja. Honestly, this thing is like a beast, and I had so much fun getting it ready for Driven, and I'm gonna still do a few more things to it for Show Your Ride. But I love you, take care, please be safe out there, and if you want to race, please do it in a safe place. Don't just go all willy-nilly and start doing street racing and hurt people, okay? Take care, guys.